Alright, so let me put these in their containers and then I show you how many I get from this mixture. So we've got 1 12-inch and 4 6-inch pans from that double mixture. Right, so that's our first batch of Christmas cake for this year on Steve and Mary's. All right, we're gonna put these in and bake them at 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. I'm gonna check them at 1 hour because this one should take 1.5, but these will take less because they're smaller. So let's get these in the oven. All right, so the oven is preheated. In the bottom there, I have a pan with water. That's my water bath. I'm just gonna put the cakes in. I'm putting the biggest one by itself down here, and then the 3 little ones up here. Where's my mind, guys? I mean the 4 little ones. See you in 1 hour, guys. Hear that, guys? That's 1 hour. So let's see. The small ones might be done. Oh, the smell. Oh my word. It's just Christmas here. Let's see. Guys, for the life of me, I can't find my toothpick. So this will have to do. Look at that. Clean knives. So these are ready. Now let me just... I heard you and I'm testing them. Could you be quiet? Let me test the big one. See if it's ready. It is not. Just like I suspected. So put this back. I'm gonna put that back for another 20 minutes. But we're going to remove the little ones. Alright guys, so I'll be back once we're taking out that one. Or should I? When it's done and cool and we're testing it, I'll be back. That's not true. I need to sprinkle these while they're hot. Yes, I just feel like giving you trouble today. Alright, let's get these out. Okay, so these are hot and I usually sprinkle them with a little red label wine and